Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Ads conversions for SEO leads step by step clearly. To set up Google Ads conversions for SEO leads, start by logging into your Google Ads account. In the upper right corner, click on the Tools icon. Under the Measurement section, select Conversions. Click on the plus, choose Website as the source of your conversion. Fill in the conversion name, such as SEO leads. Select the category that fits your goal, like lead. Set a value for each conversion or choose not to assign a value. Decide how to count conversions by selecting either every or one. Set the conversion window, which determines how long after an ad interaction a conversion is counted. Choose whether to include conversions in conversions columns. Click on Create and continue to proceed. You will see instructions to install the conversion tracking tag on your website. If you have a website developer, send them the code to implement. If you are using a website builder or CMS, look for a specific integration option. Alternatively, you can use Google Tag Manager to manage your tags. In Google Tag Manager, create a new tag using the conversion tracking code. Set up a trigger to fire the tag on the desired pages, such as your thank you or confirmation page. Once configured, publish the changes in Google Tag Manager. Return to Google Ads and click Next to complete the conversion setup. Review your settings to ensure everything is accurate. Finally, click on Done to finish setting up your conversion action. Now your Google Ads will track conversions from SEO leads effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.